What's up and welcome to Kendy Jane Beauty. Today we're going to take a look at some Boxycharm July base variations. I have 13 of these boxes to show you and we'll go through each item inside. You may see the box you're getting. It's just a tip of the iceberg. I don't think many people have received their boxes yet. I actually will receive my first subscription box that I pay for today sometime. But I know it's early in the game because of the COVID, everything is shipping out later and you can't have as many people in the shipping area, so it takes longer to get the boxes ready. So we're just having to put up with this until things get back to normal in the US and in the world. So what I have is 13 different variations. A few of them, I have the boxy variation with the weights, and I'll make sure to put that up on the screen when I do have them. Before we begin, please remember to hit that subscribe button and please hit that like button and share this video out to your family and friends. I appreciate it so much. And remember, when you subscribe to Kendy Jane Beauty, you are a Bindi babe. Anybody wanting to get on my Bindi babe notification list, what this is, anytime I put up a video or something important happens, like on Monday, premium choice opens, I will send out a group email saying, hey, choice is open. I do this for add-ons, for early access, for add-ons, for pop-up, and all the important things. We're a family here. When someone needs prayers, that's sick, I'll let everybody know. So if you want to get on this email notification group, all you have to do is email me at kendyjane18@gmail.com and request to be on, and I'll put you on. All you have to do is be subscribed to my channel and be part of the family. Okay, so let's start. Anybody that's not a charmer and would like to join Boxycharm, I have all the information below. Right now, they're giving a Murad Hydrodynamic Intense Eye Gel for the eyes if you're interested in getting that product. And I have my link. I really appreciate it if you use my link to get your Boxycharm subscription. So let's start. Let's take a look at Boxycharm variation number 1. This month is Boxy Sunshine. In this base box, which happens to be variation 27, this is the variation I received. It's got the Clear Skin Club Vitamin C Brightening Booster, along with the Studio Makeup Endurance Cream Eyeshadow, the Ace Beauty Bronzed in Paradise Palette, the Allure Cosmetics Birthday Suit Lip Gloss. And lastly is the Cream Shop Next Generation Blender Set. Never can have enough of these blenders. In variation 2, we have the Pure Cosmetics Festivals 2.0 Palette, the Cream Shop Toasty Cushion Bronzer, the 111 Skin Anti-Pollution Defense Booster, the Lavish Brushes Cheek Color Switch. This is your dry brush change. Can't do without one of these. It helps your brushes last so much longer. The Hourglass Cosmetics Arc Brow Micro Sculpting Pencil, and this one happened to be in Warm Blonde. And I thank all the ladies who these pictures are from, their Instagram pictures, and I have all their Instagram channels listed in the description area. Please check these ladies out if you get a chance. Variation box number 3 starts off with the Ace Beauty Bronzed in Paradise Palette, then the 111 Skin Anti-Pollution Defense Serum, the Hourglass Cosmetics Arc Brow Sculpting Pencil, the Allure Cosmetics Birthday Suit Lip Gloss, Beauty by Pop Sugar, the Liquid Metallic Eyeshadow. Variation number 4. In this variation, we get the Clean Skin Club Vitamin C Brightening Booster, the Hourglass Cosmetics Scattered Light Glitter Eyeshadow, and this person said she absolutely loves this product. The Ace Beauty Bronzer, it Bronzed in Paradise, the Cream Shop Clean Waves Color Correcting Cushion Primer, not sure which color. From Lavish Brushes, the Quick Color Switch. and that is the dry brush cleaner. Variation 5. In this variation, we get the Pure Cosmetics Festival 2.0 palette, the Clean Skin Club Vitamin C Brightening Booster, from Hourglass Cosmetics, the Brow Micro Sculpting Pencil in Warm Brunette. Next is the Hank & Henry Satin Matte Lipstick in Sext. And lastly is the Lavish Brushes Color Switch Dry Brush Change. Joe did mention in one of his announcements to make sure you have your quiz up to date. You can do a complexion quiz and a makeup quiz. I think there is 2 right now. I'm going to do mine again just to let you know if there's any changes, but they're always updating it. And he said we need to update it for future products. So make sure you get that updated. Number 6, variation. This one actually is variation 41 and it weighs 1.4 pounds. So if you go and check your shipping information and you find that yours weighs 1.4 pounds, you can possibly have this variation. So in variation 41, we have the Pure Cosmetics Festival 2.0 palette, the Clean Skin Club Vitamin C Brightening Booster, from Ciate London, the Everyday Vacay Coconut Setting Spray, from Lavish Brushes, the Quick Color Switch, from the Cream Shop, the Clean Canvas Color Correcting Cushion. Okay, on to variation 7. This one has the Ace Beauty Bronzed Paradise Palette. Next, the Hourglass Cosmetics Scattered Light Glittered Eyeshadow, the Clean Skin Club Vitamin C Brightening Booster, Lavish Brushes Quick Color Switch, and the Cream Shop's Clean Waves Color Correcting Primer in yellow. Now I noticed so far out of all my variations, none of them have the Ace Beauty blush palette. That just hasn't come out yet. I hadn't found a picture of it yet. Now moving on to variation 8, this one has from Pure Cosmetics is the Festivals 2.0 palette, from Ciate London, the Everyday Vacay Coconut Setting Spray, from 111 Skin, the Anti-Protection Defense Booster, from Grace and Stella, the eye mask. You'll get 12 of these babies. From Lavish Brushes, the Quick Color Switch. Variation 9 is actually Boxy's variation 26, and this one weighs 1.2 pounds. In it, we have the 111 Skin Pollution Defense Booster, the Studio Makeup Endurance Cream Eyeshadow in gold, the Ace Beauty Bronze Paradise Palette, the Grace and Stella Anti-Wrinkle Energizing Eye Mask, and from Hollow Neon, the liquid lipstick, the Easy Spell is the shade. This actually sells for $17. Variation 10. This is just my 10th one that I'm showing. I'll tell you the Boxy variation of the few that I have. Now this one I don't have. It shows us the Ace Beauty Bronzed in Paradise, the Clean Skin Club Vitamin C Bright Booster, the Hourglass Cosmetics Scattered Light Glittered Eyeshadow, from Nude Sticks, the Cream Lip and Cheek Pencil, and the Cream Shop's Clean Canvas Color Correcting Cushion. The 11th variation has the Pure Cosmetics Festival 2.0 palette, the Ciate London Everyday Vacay Coconut Setting Spray, the Babe Lash Essential Serum, the Fenty Beauty Fairy Balm Shimmer Powder, and the Nude Sticks Rock and Roller Eyeliner. Variation 12 has Ace Beauty Bronzed in Paradise Palette, the Clean Skin Vitamin C Brightening Serum, the Hourglass Cosmetics Brow Micro Sculpting Pencil, and from Sol de Janeiro, the Brazilian Hoya Shampoo and Conditioner Set. These sell for $12 each. Variation 13 is actually Boxycharm's variation number 68, and it weighs 1.1 pounds. This one includes the Pure Cosmetics Festival 2.0 palette, Babe Lash Essential Serum, Fenty Beauty Fairy Balm Shimmer Powder, the Ciate London Everyday Vacay Coconut Setting Spray, and Nude Sticks Rock and Roller Eyeliner. And those are the 13 variations that I have for you ladies. And here's a group shot of all the products that are in boxes in July. This picture includes products that are in the base box and also the premium box. I wish they had separated it, but this is how they did it this month. So you can see how many variations we have in this month's box. At least 68, I think I see. So you're going to have so many different variations. This is just a tip of the iceberg because I know a lot of people haven't gotten their boxes yet. I started this video on Saturday when I was supposed to get my Boxycharm box, and today is Monday and I still didn't get it. It said it was going to be shipped at the ending of the day on Saturday, and at the end of the day it changed to pending, and now it's mid-Monday and it's still saying pending. So I don't know when my 2 subscriptions will come in. That's 2 base boxes and 2 premium boxes. So I'm getting ready to call FedEx and see what the issue is. I hope it's not damaged. I hope this gives you some kind of idea of what your base box may include, but this may give you some idea of what you may be getting in your box. If you don't know how to check to see, like if you know your weight, your box has shipped and you look at the details and it says your box weighs 1.2 pounds, it may be one of the variations that weigh 1.2 pounds. That's the relevance of knowing how much the box weighs. So remember, we have a giveaway going on this month like every other month, and I'm giving away 2 Too Faced Natural Lush palettes, beautiful palettes. I have the rules and regulations listed below. And until Tuesday, in my Paradise Delivered box, I'm giving somebody a mini box of all these. I received 2 boxes by accident, so I said, why not share with someone? So all you need to do is watch the Paradise Delivered video. I'll put a link to it under this in the description area to make it easy for you to click on. And click on that video, watch it, like it, and all you need to do is put a comment. And if you share it with someone or tell someone about it in the comments, say, hey, I shared with my mother-in-law, she watched. So that will be your extra comment. And what I'll do on Tuesday at midnight, I will randomly pick one by the TubeBuddy comment picker, and that will be the winner. So don't miss out. Remember, everybody, let beauty transform you inside and out, and always have a beautiful smile on your face. And until next video, take care. Love you guys. Bye. Mwah.